How to run DeepSeek R1 locally. Let's get started. DeepSeek R1 a brand new open source reasoning AI that's completely free to use. If you're tired of paying hefty fees for advanced AI tools, this one's for you. I'll show you how to set it up locally on a computer and unlock its amazing problem-solving potential. DeepSeek R1 is a reasoning AI that's perfect for tasks like coding, solving puzzles, or planning complex projects. What sets it apart is its ability to think through problems step by step, providing more accurate and reliable results. First, you'll need a tool called Aloma. This makes running large language models locally super simple. Just head over to the Aloma website, download the installer for your operating system, and follow the prompts. The setup takes just a few minutes. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt and type Aloma. You will see a list of commands. Now let's grab the DeepSeek R1 module. On the Aloma website, go to the modules section. You will find various sizes of DeepSeek R1 here. If you're on a standard computer, start with the 1.5 or 7 billion parameter version. If you got a powerhouse setup, try the 14 or 32 billion versions. Copy the download command for your chosen module and paste it into your terminal. This will download and set up DeepSeek R1 on your machine. After you follow these steps, now it's time to see it in action. Try something simple like trying Hello to test the model. What makes DeepSeek R1 special is that it does not just give quick, surface-level responses. It reasons through problems step by step, making it great for detailed planning and complex tasks. For the developers out there, Aloma's API opens up even more possibilities. You can integrate DeepSeek R1 into your projects, workflows, or apps, making it a powerful tool for both personal and professional use. Running DeepSeek R1 locally is not only cost-effective but also super adaptable. Whether you are working on a personal project or a big professional workflow, this AI is a game changer. Plus, it's completely free. That's it for today's guide. I hope you are as excited as I am about what DeepSeek R1 can do. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tips, and share your experience with DeepSeek R1 in the comments below. Thanks for watching.